Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today we'll be working on decluttering and organizing my bathroom drawers. This is week 7 in our 6-month Declutter and Organize challenge. If you haven't yet started, it's never too late to jump right in right where we're at right now. This challenge is bite-sized and easy to accomplish in about an hour or so, depending on the amount of clutter you have in the area. But even then, you have a whole week to accomplish the task. I made this printable to help you know what is coming each week, and you have time to prepare. If you send me an email, I'll send you the printable. On Sunday mornings, I post these decluttering videos for you to watch as you prepare to do your area. I also link all the products that I'm using to make it easier for you to grab what you need.
Girl, you should wear a name tag, 'cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be.
I am going to use the remainder of the 16-piece containers that I used in last week's video of the declutter and organizing of my makeup and hair products. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it above in the cards and at the end of this video. I got these containers from Amazon. These have reinforced edges that really help keep them from chipping. I really like that they are clear, which cuts down on all the visual clutter, and it helps the space look more cohesive. You will see the difference when I used color ones over on my husband's side. While I'm emptying out these drawers, I want to go ahead and thank all of you who have messaged me to check on me and my family during the Texas storm. We did lose power and water for about 36 hours here at our house. Our kids are still experiencing some issues. One of our daughters is without power for over 60 hours now. It is so easy to take for granted the utilities that freely run into our homes. I hope to remember this experience so that I remain humble and grateful. As I am grateful for the friends that I've met on here who've reached out to me, I appreciate you.
Your name, people go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
This is the drawer that I use for my toothbrush and toothpaste stuff. Once I decant all these boxes and put them into containers, this will look way more organized. Unfortunately, these two drawers are skinny, but the clear containers give everything a home and it looks so cohesive.
I guess it's still now and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you the end of the rainbow. And the music was so.
I'm going to go ahead and vacuum and wipe out all the drawers before I put in the containers.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades.
Like in the nightstand organization video I did, I put poster putty on the bottom of the containers. But currently all I have is the blue poster putty that we used in that video. And that would be seen through these clear containers. I have a light colored putty on its way. Once I get that in, I'll go back and put the putty on the bottom of these boxes. Because I'm using these containers, I will have more room to add in cotton rounds and Q-tips. This will be more convenient when I need them at night for my skincare.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. There's something juvenile about your pretty face, but it seems so hard for you to know when you need space. I hope you find your peace and that you get a taste with yourself. Oh, yeah. Let yourself.
I'm going to go ahead and separate all these toothpick type flossers so that they're easier to get to. I'll also add some to this plastic container that they provided so that I can stick that in my purse.
Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and give my toothbrush a quick wash and also the charger. These things do get a little gross and they need to be cleaned regularly.
You jump to fly, higher. Open up, just spread your wings and jump to rise, not fall. You flying higher. You jump to fly, higher. Standing on the edge while you're looking down, fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies, won't ya? Standing on the edge while you're looking down, fly down on the ground just to find out. You fly so fly, don't ya? Keep riding skies. To yourself, to there, just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but you seem scared. Just try to open up and let it lead somewhere.
See how cohesive and organized everything looks? It's much easier for me to see what I have and also what I need to get next time I go to the store.
Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love and let yourself unfold.
Okay, this drawer is where I keep too many things, and I really want to focus it on being the drawer for my hair stuff. You saw last week that below this drawer is where we organized all my hair care products and the hot tools. So it only makes sense that this should be the drawer for hair things. Oh, I hate clutter, but gosh, you wouldn't know it by looking at this drawer.
Shades on for so long, I can't seem to get them back on. 'Cause ooh, how I fell in love, couldn't see it coming, blasting my stereo. I can feel it coming, you on my radio. All I'm hearing is a song.
I get messages about hair care, so I will share some of the links of some of the products in this drawer. Like these. These are hair bands that honestly stay put. I use them when I need my hair back and out of my face. Okay, this brand is called the Invisibobbles. This is the Power Hair Tie. It has a tight grip and it won't slip out. It's best for medium to thick hair. I got mine clear, but you can also get them in colors that blend in with your hair color. This brand has other hair accessories, like the Invisibobble Waver. That is an excellent tight closing hair barrette. Or the Invisibobble Nano, which you can use as a regular rubber band for thin hair, or to tie off the bottom of a braid, or to secure a small top knot. I will link all of those if you want to take a look at them. Just look for the link down in my description box. These fabric hair ties are great for all your everyday hair tie needs. They are stretchy, but yet not too stretchy, so they're good for all hair types and thickness. They are all one piece, so there isn't anything there that's going to damage your hair. I'm going to put in the container the color that best matches my hair color, but I'm also going to store some in my car and my purse. We are a family of girls, and we do like our hair ties. And here's the after. I added my deodorant on the side, and it's a perfect fit. I love that everything is out of their packages and easy for me to grab when I need it. I can't get over how much I really like the clear containers. You will see the difference in the containers now that I'm over here on my husband's side. I'm going to organize his drawers by the way he uses them. The top drawer is his shaving and nail stuff, the second drawer is his supplements, and the bottom drawer are contacts, extra floss, and his neti pot. I've said this before, in that unless I'm asked, I will not purge other people's belongings. So, as I go through his drawers, I will take out anything that doesn't make sense for that drawer, and I'll set it on top of the counter. And then I'm going to let him decide if he wants to put it back in a certain drawer or if he wants to go ahead and purge it.
All I'm hearing is a song.
I'm going to use the black containers that I had over on my side here on his side now. And you will see the difference that the clear containers make.
Sorry, I don't mind if you don't mind it, sharing all your secrets with me. Cause ooh, how I fell in love, couldn't see it coming, blessed in my stereo. I can feel it coming, you on my radio. All I'm hearing is a song.
You see the difference now? Regardless, it still looks better than it was. I have everything contained for him, and he should be able to find everything in its place. Okay, now I'm going to work on his toothbrush drawer. This is another small, skinny drawer.
Got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright.
Okay, voila! Looks so much better now.
Messed up, yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and go through his supplements. I'm going to go ahead and pair them together. Some of these are back stock, so I'm going to put those towards the back of the drawer. The rest of the supplements I'm going to put into a bin because he likes to pull the supplements out to fill his weekly supplement containers, and this will just make it easier for him to do that.
I keep checking my phone, yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
It's not a huge difference, however the bin is really going to be useful for him. Okay, now we're going to do this bottom drawer for him. These are his contacts and some extra dental floss that he keeps.
Messed up.
Again, not much of a difference. However, the containers help contain all the stuff so that it's not sliding around in the drawers. I think it looks great. And here are the leftover items that I need him to figure out what he wants to do with. And in this last drawer is where I keep our rolled up washcloths. While I clean out this drawer, let me thank you for visiting me today. If you like this video, would you please give me a big thumbs up? It lets YouTube know that you're interested in my content. And also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. I would also love to hear from you in the comments. And at the end of this video, I'm going to post the playlist for the last 7 weeks of purging and organizing. They will motivate you to get started. I'll see you again next week. Stay blessed, my friends.
First, I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Cause all I wanna do is to know your